Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm at the Exporail for the exposition of model trains. And this is the 19th of August 2023. So we got an O scale layout here. And looks like a Gevo with some of the old BNSF predecessor railroads on it, and a CSX ST40-2 it looks like. And I got a CN train here coming, sorry, CP GP9RM, and a couple of passenger cars in the CP paint scheme. Third rail O. Neat little layout here. This train's not going right now, so I'm gonna walk around it. Quite an ordeal to come here. Actually, it took 2.5 hours to come here by bus. Ridiculous. Ram and bus. Didn't rightly know how to get here actually. So it was quite crazy. Reading. Here it comes again. It's quite a long train, this. There's CN caboose. Some interesting buildings. And this is really cool. This really big station building. O scale. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.